about editing, your edits and your fades. Okay, now on the timeline, when you're moving around, you're going to want to go over to the project window. You go to your effects, and we're going to scan up to either your audio transitions or your video transitions. You click down, you look for your dissolves. So your basic cross dissolve is the most basic of all probably video transitions here. If you try to get too fancy with dissolve, sometimes it ends up making your project look a little cheesy. Now if you go with the audio transition, the same thing. You just take it, you drop it, and drag it down there, and it just creates a smooth fade up between whatever your audio and video sources are. It also gives them kind of a match. Now if you put it over something else when it's not black, that's not going to fade up from black. It's actually going to fade directly into the one, whatever's on top. Now if you take it away and you put it down on the same line, if you see, it's just a jump cut. So if you want to create a little smoother cut but you're both on the same line, you take the crossfade, you go to video transition, a crossfade. See, it's very simple. Now if you want to drag that fade out a little bit, you just grab it on each side, you pull it out, and let's preview it. Here's a real simple, slower, if the music's slower, the pace is slower, you may want to do that.